Great, got a flat. The fuck? What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Righty Do channel. This is V, your host. I'm out here in Yonkers, New York. Heading over to Getty Square, pull up on the homie right quick. I was supposed to check him a day or two ago. So I'm gonna run over there, make sure he's good and everything. And after that, I'm gonna head over to the Bronx, Gun Hill Road and Boston Post Road or whatever. And yeah. Should be a fun ride. It's a bit overcast out here today. A little on the windy side, but all in all, it's about like 60 degrees, 55, 60 degrees. All in all, it should be a fun ride. It's not that cold or whatever. And yeah, today I elected to jump on the stealth bomber. I ain't ride this thing in a minute, so I decided to show it some love today. Pull her out. Thing is still a beast. Nothing short of being a beast. Tops out about 75 miles an hour. And at an average speed about 38, 40 miles an hour, I could get about 50 miles out of her. A little bit more maybe. Depend on terrain and stuff like that. And yeah, it should be a fun ride. Yeah, sorry about yesterday.
Oh, no problem. No, that's why I figured I'd get you early today.
Yeah, I'm glad you called when you did. Pretty much done everything to this bike I want to do. I'm about to put on the motorcycle rear brakes, and I got the front done already. I tell you, these things are amazing. It's not even close to those mountain bike brakes. These things are amazing. So I'm gonna get the back done up, make a video for that. And the front end, I was supposed to make a video out of it, but I couldn't. I had to do some machining to the steer and neck on the bike. The race that came with the motorcycle shocks, the race was a little too thick, too big. So I had to do some machining, and I wasn't sure about it, so I took it over to Yamaha. The guys over there helped me out. Shout out to Jimmy over at Yamaha. They helped me out a bit with that. Got that done. And I know I disappointed some of the viewers with that one, but yeah, I failed to get it done myself. But anyway, one of my friends has a bomber. He just bought a motorcycle front end. He's waiting for a few more pieces to come in. And I'm gonna give that a go, so hopefully I'll be able to put it on his bike without any issues or whatever. Yeah, it should be a fun ride. I'm gonna get that one done. Let's go. Great, got a flat. The fuck? Okay, I got my inner tubes in. See if I can replace this inner tube. Still can't see any damage done to the tire, and I don't remember running over anything. So luckily I wasn't that far from home. I'm hoping I didn't ruin the tire because I rode it on the flat home. At no time did it come in contact with the rim. The air went out, but it didn't go all the way outside. Had a little bit of air in there, so I took it nice and slow, nice and easy. I was able to get home. I got so I got these inner tubes that I got them off Amazon. Try and change this inner tube out as least effort as possible, but this motor and this wheel is hella heavy. Yeah, let's get into it. Big ass bolt, 32mm socket I'll be using, and I got a breaker bar. Whoa, this one is non-compliant. What the heck? Whoa. These are like lock nuts I'm taking off. Whoa. These joints is hella tight. I don't think I gotta back these all the way off. Alright. Now for these. Get these torque arm screws loose and she should be ready to be dropped out. Okay, right here this chain tension is in the way. When the bolt gets right here, it stops. Stops right there. So I was trying to avoid that, but I gotta take this off. Put this out the way over here. This thing is hella heavy, so now this is going to be a challenge. I might have to work with it right here. Otherwise, I don't want to take this. I don't want to have to go in the box to disconnect this motor. I'm going to see if I can work with it the way it is. See, I'm going to bend the rotor. I don't know if I take the rotor off. I'll have enough clearance back here. Take it all the way out. Okay, I was able to maneuver it a little. I got the tire out a little more. Or the wheel out, I should say. And I started working it around. I'm using these tire spoons right here. I loosened up the rotor. I took the rotor off over here so I could hopefully not mess it up. And I'm doing all of this. Oh, this thing is heavy. Hella heavy. And the inner tube is big, see it's sticking out right here, so that's kind of prevent me from getting this thing biting in there. There we go. This is not like changing the inner tube on a bicycle. This is work. Got me breathing hard. Let me go get a hair pliers or something and loosen that bolt right there. Then we'll be set to take the inner tube out and put the new one in. I should get a little soapy water or something, some grease to help in putting this tire back in. This inner tube was a bitch to get out too. Oh man, don't tell me I gotta get a new liner. I think they put an oversized line in here. That could be a cause of my issue. I was about to put some in the inner tube to see if I could find a hole in there and found this. So I don't know how this happened. I don't know if it happened during me taking the tire off to get this out or I don't know. But I don't see any nails or anything in the tire, so I guess I'll just put everything back together. Right. Okay, I got the other side on, so I gotta get this side on. I don't know, put the water on here because the motor and everything. So let me see what I can accomplish now. to try to do this without punching this inner tube. This wheel is hella heavy. Okay. I like to do almost 2 at a time. And here a little. Not very good at this, yo. It's hard to do it standing up. Alright, I got it started. So, I'm just trying to go through the motions. I'm hoping to God I'm not pinching this inner tube. And bring this one back over. Okay. Kind of slide off of this thing. Whew. Keep going around. Yeah. I hope I'm not pinching this inner tube. Shit. Shit. Whew. Oh, without pinching the tube seems almost impossible. Shit. That was extremely difficult. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I could get this thing seated properly now. Might be better if I put it on the bike so I can rotate it freely. To get this line even all the way around. I'm gonna reinstall the rotor. Okay, so let me see if I can get this wheel back up in there. I went ahead and I removed the caliper. See if it'll be a little easier. Bring this right up in there. Whew. Wow. I'm gonna tighten the axle nuts and we should be done. Ready to put some air in this bad boy. Nice and tight back here. Now for the lock nuts. Just my brakes. Tighten down in place. And I'm gonna find the other lock nut. Okay, I'm gonna get a couple zip ties in here. Let's get this cable secured again. All the phase wires and all sensor wires.